In this video, we're going to cover self-consumption with a battery. We're going to start out with it in normal mode where you've got grid tied without battery. PV is producing. We have a certain amount of the power going to the grid in this case. Be typical of a standard PV only installation. Now we're going to go into our advanced settings. Enter our password, and we're going to select our battery. Right now it's no battery. We're going to select the LG Chem high voltage battery. All right. Now we're going to see that alarm come up. Don't be too distressed. We're going to work our way through these. And we have to save and send. And then we got to wake up our battery. Wake up our battery, alarm goes out. Lovely. Now we come back here and we see, give it a minute. Remember these things, these functions and controls take time. Now you're going to see the power from the grid is actually going to come down while we change over to charging the battery. You see that? In this case, we are in zero net export. 3.8 kilowatts coming from the solar, 3.2 kilowatts going to the battery, and because the battery is drawing so much power, we are actually drawing 200 watts from the grid. Now, if the house loads went down right now, instead of exporting any power, we're actually going to just go to zero. And that's what zero net export is for markets like Hawaii, where essentially it's a self-consumption option where we've added batteries to basically utilize this 3.2 kilowatts or 3.8 kilowatts of power fully from the solar panels. If we didn't do that, then this array would be sitting, would be producing less power, and that's what we don't want to do, and that's what the battery's for.